my creatives, and Merry Christmas. I hope you all have a wonderful day today, even though it is a different Christmas than usual. I still hope that you have a wonderful day and that you treat yourself and that you are kind to yourself. And not for all of us, this is a very happy day, but still, I hope you will find some peace and some comfort and some love, and all good things for today. So today I am sharing an art junk journal process, and this process is especially for you. So I really want to thank you all for the love and support you have given me this past year. It has been a crazy year. Lots of stuff has happened on a global scale, but also in my personal life, and I really just want to give you my appreciation, and I want to let you know how grateful I am to have you here on my channel and to have built these wonderful friendships here online. They really, really mean a lot to me. So I want to thank you with helping me creating good Christmas memories and make this a better time for myself this year. So I really hope other people are also creating good memories, even though they have had bad ones in the past. I really just want to thank you all so much, and let's make 2021 a better year. It will definitely be a better year for me, although 2020 was also a good year for me, even with the lows, because I learned a lot this year, and with the pandemic I learned a lot, and I learned a lot on a personal scale with the things that happened in my life, and I'm eternally grateful to have learned all these things, and have built such a great community with all of you. I'm so grateful, and I'm so excited to make the next step and build this community even bigger. And I hope to give you some peace and some comfort on this day, and some love, because you are very much loved by me. I just really want to thank you. I think words can't even say how grateful I am to have you all here as my subscribers, and to have received so much love and support the past year and years, because some of you have been with me for years, and yeah, you really mean a lot to me. So I really hope that you do enjoy the Christmas time, and are taking care of yourself and your family. And yeah, then let's go to the new year. So Merry Christmas, everyone, and I wish you all a happy new year. Bye.